Hi, my name is Tracy Pepe. Thanks very much for coming back to my YouTube channel here at The Scented Lair. I'm at the studio today and I'm doing a series of videos speaking about the essential oils that we sell, but also what do you do with them now that you've purchased them and you have them at home. For those of you who are new to the channel, thanks very much, and I really appreciate your subscription. And for those of you who are coming back, it's always great to see you. So today we are going to talk about spearmint. Spearmint essential oil is actually an interesting oil. It has similar properties from the premise of a fresh, invigorating scent like peppermint. But peppermint is very cooling, and spearmint is actually the opposite. It's warming. It has a natural level of camphor in it, and it actually creates a calming environment. It's actually quite interesting. Even though it is a mint, it has a completely different impact than peppermint oil. It's also lighter to use from the premise that peppermint is quite strong with the menthol content. It's a fabulous oil that you can add to a diffuser, a space for a fresh, stimulating effect. I call it a green smell. It's quite beautiful, actually. So what do you do with it? Well, as we've talked in previous videos, you can add them to cleaning products. And spearmint is one of those oils that is really good for that. So there's a video here that teaches you how to mix the essential oils and put them in certain cleaning products. This is chemistry, so you cannot put them in all products, and it depends on what you're working with. But it is a great scent, and it's something that you can definitely add when you're washing the floor and making your home smell fresh and invigorating. It also is really lovely from the premise of creating an atmosphere that feels lively. Spearmint has that wonderful effect as well. It is steam distilled. It generally comes in from the States, and I enjoy working with spearmint. It's one of my favorite oils. Anyway, thanks for joining us. What do you mix it with? I'll give you a hint. Spearmints are really great with citrus oils, and you combine the two of them and they have a beautiful uplifting effect. My name is Tracy Pepe. Thanks very much for joining me here at The Scented Lair, and I hope to see you soon.